تيغالي ارفع لك عقالي.
ياتي تيغالي يا عيني يا سلام.
الأرجنتيني سيباستيان تيغالي لاعب الوحدة هداف دوري الخليج العربي بقوة.
تيغالي يتوج بلقب هداف دوري الخليج العربي لعام 2018-2019.
We have to be at home, just with our family at home. I'm very happy with the government here in Abu Dhabi. They are doing really amazing job. I watched some videos about the police in the street, how they are caring and cleaning the street. And I feel really happy with that, amazing. No, I sent to all my friends and families in Argentina, and I told them, look how the government is caring about us.
Okay, as a player, how do you deal with this situation?
And I try to training every day at home. And the fitness coach of the club send us in one program, and I have the lucky my wife is personal trainer too, so I do what the fitness coach send me, and a little more with as I say the helping with of my wife. Even I think I'm in better shape now than before.
Mostly, like, people here are saying that stars in Europe and America, they are coming to UAE and China for money, but the stars who want to play football, they go to Europe.
Listen, let's be clear and say the truth. Foreign players who come first time to UAE, to Saudi Arabia, to Qatar, to China, we coming for the money. This is true. But there is two group of players. The player like me, Fabio Lima, Caio, in his moment Maquete Diop, the player who stay more than 3-4 years, and we are here because we adapt ourselves, we like the country, we like the football, but there is another player just coming one season, 6 months, 1 year and a half, and after go.
And what about Negredo now? He's in which group?
Okay, in this moment, Negredo today has less than 2 years. So if he stay 1 year more, he will stay in our side. But Negredo is coming like a start player, and he did very well. Maybe he didn't score a lot, but between goals and all together with goals, with assists, and with everything, he did a great job. He won in 2 years 1 cup with Al Nassr. And if he leave, doesn't mean, oh, he come for the money. No, understand what I say. But there is another player, they come 1 year and a half, just no care too much to play and leave.
What do you think about people who are saying like our league is much lower than American and European league?
Yeah, they think the league here is very easy, and they are wrong, and very wrong. Because a lot of players come here, like I told you before, with the noise up and say, I come in here and I play. And after 3-4 months, the clubs want to change them because of this, because the league here is not easy. Few years ago, Al Jazeera almost beat Real Madrid. And Al Ain beat River Plate. So I don't know if the gap is very big, as everyone say. The football in the Gulf is professional football. I mean, is near. I mean, it's just few years ago. And in Europe, in South America, we born with that.
Is it a good idea to give a citizenship to a foreign player to support the national team?
It's difficult because I can cut my career in the UAE. As a local, in national team, I don't want to have the help from outside. You understand what I mean? I want my player. I want the really local. For example, what Qatar is doing, I don't like this. I don't like because they give very easy the passport and they give too much play the passport. And also, I told you, there is many good players here in UAE. But it's different what happened now with me, with Caio and Lima, because we are many years here. Many years here, and in my opinion, we did very well, and we will try to help the national team.
Okay, now regarding UAE national team, what do you think like after being there now?
I waiting the chance because 2 years ago I was waiting for the passport and finally was broke down. Now I get the passport and come in this coronavirus, so I think the life doesn't want to Tigali play national team. So now I'm waiting for the chance. Very happy.
Do you speak any Arabic words?
Yeah. Salam alaikum, shukran, afwan, sabah al khair, sabah al nur. Yes, I have, but
Like during the game, what words in Arabic do you use? Do you use mahjum?
yeah, sometimes because and also I don't say like you. I say another thing. No, but I try to use easy words in English.
What about the referee?
No, for example, when I have to speak with one referee, I say Akam. I call them Akam. I don't say referee. Yala, or Turkeys. But when I have to say something serious and have conversation, I use the English, of course.
Regarding the national team, you made a statement. It was like I didn't understand it. You said playing with the national team is like the first meeting with my wife.
Yeah. I say play with UAE national team is excited like when I meet with my wife first time. When we were young, I watch her and I look at her with a lot of love, but she never see me because she was 3 years bigger than me.
What's the difference between UAE and Saudi League?
I think in Saudi is the football is more tough. It's one step faster. Here in UAE we play more football. We like more to take the ball, to play good football, but it's not a big difference.
Who do you support there?
Of course, Shabab and Etifaq because I play there, and I like Hilal. I always like Hilal since the first day.
Did you receive any offer before from Hilal?
We were 2 times near to sign. One, and the another one we just talked few times and nothing happened. But the another one was near. I was already here in Al Wahda. But in the end, what I knew is Hilal want to change one player for me, and Al Wahda say no. I respect that.
So now when you remember that, is it good thing that this didn't happen, or oh no, I want?
We will never know because I cannot know what will happen there. We will never know, but of course I'm very happy here in Al Wahda.
When you went to Saudi Arabia and with Ittifaq,
Yeah.
what was the first culture shock you had there?
Of course, like everyone, I think is the men cannot talk with the woman and the woman with the men. I mean, with the friends of your brothers, sisters. And the second one, the woman have to wear abaya. But in the end, are small things. You adapt to yourself.
I feel this is some personal thing. Like the good striker, they are always calm when they score. When they are in front of the goal, they are just calm and they score it easily. Like you and Ali Mabhout mainly. This what I can see. Like what do you think? Is it really you are calm when you are in front of the goal?
No. If there is one machine inside me, will explode. Because no. Listen, I think even Messi, even the best striker, when they are in front of the goal, okay, they can show they are calm for many reasons. But believe me, inside you, you want to score. Even Ali Mabhoud, he is more calm than me sometimes, or most of the time. I'm sure inside him, when he will shoot, he's a little nervous or afraid to lose the chance. But also, of course, when you are scoring, you don't feel too much afraid to lose the chance or too nervous. This is depends of the moment. But in my opinion, who say, no, when I'm 1-1 against goalkeeper, I'm very calm, I don't trust. I don't believe that.
But even the celebration, like for you and Ali Mabhoud, is just calm and it's fine, it's easy.
For Ali, I don't know, but for me, I try to found or to celebrate always with who give me the pass. And so for that, I'm not this kind of player just score and go run and celebrate alone. No, I always try to say thank you for my teammates. It depends each one. Tariq used to play in Al Wahda.
Tariq Khadim?
I think used to play in Diva Fujairah after come here and now he's in Sharjah.
Yeah.
I come crazy with him. He never celebrate. I say, Tariq, celebrate, please. Say, Seba, I score and I feel happy, but I cannot celebrate.
للوحدة أمام المرمى خدم ويا لها من خدمة من ليالي العمر أصحاب السعادة يتقدمون ويسجلون.
Do you think that you are now the best UAE striker?
No, never. If I think that, first I will be arrogant, and I'm not like this. The second thing, I respect a lot all the strikers here in UAE, and I will never say that. And also, if I start to think like this, I will come like down very fast.
Okay, did you saw what Traore said, the Ajman striker?
No.
He said that I am the best striker in UAE. What do you think?
Okay, it's good he think like this. Okay, listen. Inside each one, maybe for us, we can think in that. But after you have to show.
But what do you think about him? He was also playing at Shabab Club, by the way.
No, by name I don't know. Sorry. Sorry.
Wait. I can send his picture to your WhatsApp. Maybe you will know him.
Okay. No, but even I watch football here in UAE. But if you ask me about one special player, should be amazing player, because if another player, for me he's good player. With all my respect, there is much better player than him.
You played with Ismail Matar, Valdivia, Jozak and Diaz. Who was the best playmaker for you?
My opinion, Valdivia, but the two most assisters was Ismail and Zuzak. But I have a special love to say something in some words with Valdivia. I really like him. Before he come here, and when they told me Valdivia will come, I was excited because I said, wow, I will play with Valdivia, but also I have to be in his level.
What do you think about his personality? Like I think one of the seasons he was mainly every match a yellow card, red card, and it was always with every club he went to.
Yeah, sometimes one player is not very big because of silly things. And Baldi was very old when he came here, and a lot of people say to me, say something to Valdivia. What I can say to Valdivia? I cannot say anything. He will not listen to me. I can talk with him sometimes, but in the end, it's his personality.
But like when you say that, I remember Leonardo. Like something happened about that also with Leonardo, correct?
No. Listen, I want to close these things. I will only say, in that moment, in one interview, they asked me what I thought about the club changed Leonardo. And I told them the truth. If the player doesn't want to stay here, if the player want to leave to Shabab Al Ahly, go. We need the player to stay here in Al Wahda, to really want to play here. This is the only thing what I say. After Leonardo take as a he take as personal, I don't know, he put in Twitter, Instagram, I don't know what he put one text. I say thanks to Leo for all the games what he play here. Also I know he can do much better what he did in Al Wahda, but in my opinion, he did much better in Al Wahda than in Shabab Al Ahly. I don't have anything to him. Just I answer one question what they asked me, and that's it.
They are saying like there is also some issue with, I think, Ahmed Khalil last time. Is this normal with him? Like it happened in Al Wahda with some players also? Or?
Look, Leo have one personality, very more passion than a lot of players. He play with passion. He always want the ball, and when he doesn't want get the ball, he's angry, and sometimes he shout you. And I talk with him many times. Leo, when someone lose the ball, don't shout, because when we lose the ball, we don't listen what you are telling us. We listen just you shout us. So, but this is, again, we come back in the same way. It's his personality.
About the last 6 months of your contract with Al Wahda.
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened? Is there anything?
No, in the moment, as I always say, Al Wahda have the priority. I don't know how much time, I will be honest. I don't know how much time, because we are talking maybe 3-4 months. We are far away in what Al Wahda want or what I want. The football, this is the life. I know in one moment Al Wahda will say, Seba, thank you so much.
What Abdel Basit have told you before?
Yeah, I have one conversation with Abdel Basit in Barcelona, in one friendly game, and he told me, you will retire yourself in Al Wahda. I say, no, you are crazy. This was maybe 3-4 years ago. I say, no, you are crazy. And I think 1 month ago, when we went to Iraq, I say to him, I remember this conversation, what we have. And so I hope it happened.
And Al Jamahir with Hassan Habib, you said that if you were not Al Wahda player, you would be with Shabab Al Ahly. What do you think? What do you see in Shabab Al Ahly, not in other club in UAE?
أي الأندية كنت تتمنى أن تلعب في دورينا؟
شباب الأهلي.
Shabab Al Ahly, I like the football what they play. Listen, to play against Shabab Al Ahly is very difficult.
Is it better than Al Ain?
Yes. In my opinion, yes, because for me, Shabab Al Ahly is much better team. I don't mean if bigger or smaller, who has more fans. No, I'm talking about football.
Okay, now after retire, do you have any plan being a coach?
And at the moment, no. 6 months ago I start to study to be coach. But at the moment I don't have any idea, because I want to put my mind and all my power to continue playing. I hope to play at least 3 years more, at least. And I hope if the body come with me, if my body come with me, I will play inshallah 3 years more.
Yeah, I think Ismail is doing well, I think, with his age now. What do you think?
Yes, of course. If you see, he's playing all the games, and some of these games he's playing 90 minutes, so I mean full game. And when the coach changed him, he's angry. So this means he has more to give. He's 36, I think 37. Sorry, Ismail, if I miss one year. But for example, from 5 training in the week, he training 4, 3. He doesn't train in 1 day before the game and play.
Yeah, and he's always also talking about the nutrition and the food. Also, one day, Ismail, he said you will never can eat his food.
انت ما تبغى تشوف الاكل اللي ياكله اسماعيل مطر.
No, it's true. He take care a lot about his body, and I think the young player have to follow this way.
Okay, please open your WhatsApp and check the video, please.
Yeah, in 1 second. Oh yes.
You are coming here as a tourist.
No, my dad is Tigali. I've been living here for 7 years.
Ah, your dad is Tigali.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's Argentinian.
So I was born in Chile, but like they have a good team, but like I support lots of other teams and countries. Like Brazil, I support Brazil a lot.
You know, he's crazy about football. And
My dad is Tigali.
oh wait, as he say, he born in Chile, so he feel his country is Chile, no Argentina. So we start fighting from there. No, but out of shocking, my wife and me, we spoke a lot about his country because Chile is an amazing country.
Okay, now I want you to give me a full squad of UAE national team. The best thing that you will put if you were a coach.
Hey, but you put problem for me after the player who I don't put there, they will kick me more. No, I can say you few players I really like them, and for me must be national team. In the goal, Shamsi or Isa from Al Ain. In the defense, Marzouk from Shabab Al Ahli, Khalifa from Al Jazeera, Bandar and Vargas on the side. In the middle, Amar. No. Yes, Amer, Amuri, Majid from Shabab Al Ahli. Khalfan, I like him. I like a lot, but you cannot play with Amuri and Khalfan. They are playing together in Al Jazeera, but if you don't have good defense player and one midfield defense, you cannot play with both of them, because if not, you will have too much player on the front. And the another two player, Ali Mabhoud and of course Ahmed Khalil, but one of them, I will put one of them in the front.
Who's the third? Who's the third striker?
Who is the best in this moment? I will not kill myself.
We'll put three strikers: Tigali and Khalil and Mabhoud.
But if you put these three strikers, you have to put Amuri behind us, and after all defense. Yeah, you have to put too much defense because.
Oh, by the way, you forgot Caio and Lima.
No, okay. You asked me about these three players. Of course, will be very, very difficult job for the national team coach. And don't forget Ali from Al Wasal, also good striker. As I told you, this is not my squad. This is player what I like and what I think they must be national team.
Regarding Argentina national team, what is missing there?
It needs to play as a team, and I think in the last few games with the new young coach, they are playing as a team. What the rest of the coach wanted is to play for Messi, and I think you don't have to play for Messi. You have to play and try to find Messi in the best way possible near the area. In Barcelona, they don't play every time for Messi. They play the ball, they move the ball, and then Messi receive the ball in very good position to finish the action.
And what do you think about people who are saying that Messi is carrying actually Barcelona?
He's doing the best move, but he's not making the team play. Maradona, everyone compare Maradona and Messi, and they are very different because Maradona let the team play. Messi finish the action, what the team made. You understand what I mean? Maradona play in all the pitch. Messi play only in front. So I don't know why the people want to compare them.
Between Messi and Ronaldo, who's the best in your opinion?
Of course, both of them are together in another level. They are, when you start to speak about level of player, they are alone on the top. Ronaldo played more for the team. It's true, when passing the years and when playing in Real Madrid, he adapted himself to finish more the action. But in my opinion, Ronaldo, in the position what he plays, he defends more than Messi. But for me, the both are in the same level.
Okay, the last question now. I know it's been an hour now. Sorry for that.
No, don't worry. I'm happy to make this for you with you.
Which clubs do you like in European leagues?
I try to watch every time Barcelona. I like Barcelona how they play. The last season, this season is rolling. I like a lot Inter de Milan for two things. First, for the football what they play, and second because Lautaro Martinez, the Argentina young player, he's amazing. I really like him.
Okay. So that's all from our side, and big thanks and it was a pleasure to have you with us.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate it. Bye.
Thanks, bye.